Did you see that? Did you see that? Now there's no traffic coming and there's no traffic behind me. Do you see it right there? With the black spots on the side? No traffic coming. Do you see the wild pig right there? Do you see it right there? Do you see it? Oh, wait a minute. Somebody else is in the road. They must be migrating. There's no traffic coming from behind. There's no traffic coming from behind. He's grazing, looking for food. Okay? A pair of them. I can't tell if they're male or female. Steve AB4L. Never know what's going to happen. Going for his heart health climb. Saying see you at 73.